Hey guys, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? It's your girl. I'm here, and this week I'm gonna stray from a little of my whole interior design journey and just take you guys along a quick pack with me video. So me and Tunde are actually flying out to California next week, so I just wanted to get the packing out of the way because I just have a lot of stuff to do. I just got into school abroad and I have a lot to figure out. So today's a Sunday and I was like, hey, why not just get it out of the way? So that's what I'm gonna be doing. And to give you a heads up, I'm not gonna be using a carry-on or a check-on piece of luggage. I'm gonna be using a backpack because 1, I'm broke, 2, I'm broke, 3, Spirit is just freaking ridiculous with their prices, but their flight itself was cheap, like unbeatable. A flight from Florida to California for $179, I believe. Like I couldn't argue with that. Like I was like, all right, fine, I'll take that. It's my first time going to California. Tunde is from there. We're going to LA to be specific. So I'm pretty pumped, I'm pretty excited. And I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna pack 6 days worth of really nice outfits in a backpack, but we'll see. This is gonna be pretty interesting. So I made a list right here, you know, just basically spelling out everything that would make sense to carry. So I'm thinking 2 to 3 dresses, 2 to 3 rompers, because like those are basically like a top and a bottom in like one suit. So I don't need to be packing like a bottom and then a top. So that's a lot easier, and that's usually like my go-to for when I'm traveling very light. Like I try to just like, that's why I have a lot of rompers and dresses, because like when I don't travel with a lot of stuff, so I tend to just like take those guys with me and then dress them up or dress them down, whatever the case may be. So so I said 2 to 3 dresses, 2 to 3 rompers, a pair of shorts, you know, it's still warm. I mean, it's California, for crying out loud. 3 cute tops, you know, so I could like alternate the tops with the pair of shorts if I want to. 2 pairs of shoes. I'm thinking sneakers and like a pair of sandals, loungewear, pajamas, and my essentials like my makeup, my camera, undies, sunglasses, staple jewelry like this little guy right here. Shout out to Karen, she bought it for me when she went to Lebanon, and I'm so grateful. It's like my favorite piece of jewelry right now. And my toiletries, so that's really what it's gonna be. And stick around because we're gonna see how all of this fits. All right, cool. So cue the next step. All right, Miles is sleeping. All right, see you guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna head over into my closet and I'm gonna take out my backpack. All right, so we're here. I'll turn it around so you guys, whoops, so you guys can see. So we are here. So these are my 2 backpacks. This is what I like usually carry to school with me, and then my mom got this really cute Kipling. Like, it's really pretty, like the color is gorgeous, but I never thought I was a yellow girl, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna hold on to this bag. Like, it could go with some, like it's real nice. So yeah, I tied it on, so that's how I store my bags. But yeah, so let me go and untie it and then we'll get packing. Little compartment could hold like my travel stuff, like my travel documents, my jewelry, and just like smaller little pieces. This, I'd probably put my underwear in here. I'd put my underwear in here. You know, it's definitely a good little space to keep it separated from everything else. Still have a card in here, but yeah. We got this big compartment. All right, am I taking my laptop with me? I'm not sure yet. I'll decide when the time comes. But In here, I'll be putting all my clothes, my shoes, what else? Let me see what's on this list. So, my clothes, my shoes, my toiletries. Yeah, that's basically all I have. So, that's what we'll do. And that should hold everything. Right, Mouse? You agree? So this is basically everything that I would need. Shoes, makeup bag, toiletries, a fanny pack because, you know, it's easier than packing like a crossbody or something. Staple jewelry, plus my necklace that I have on now and the earrings that I have on now. 2 sunglasses, 2 different vibes. My hat that is just a perfect touch to like any outfit. Loungewear over there. I got my charger for my camera. So I decided to pack 3 rompers and 3 dresses. Now I didn't iron them because I'm gonna fold them up. So when I get there, I'm just gonna iron them. And I'm gonna be staying with Tunde's family, so I can always, you know, do laundry if I need to. So I'm just gonna do a quick try on just to show you guys the outfits that I can just create with these 6 pieces. No, 6 pieces, 6 days. I'm being as minimal as I could possibly be. And then I have this really comfortable hooded sweater. I got this from, where did I get this? Marshalls. I got this from Marshalls. It's by Love Tree and it's really comfortable. I just had to like slit the neck because it was a little bit tight for me right there, but like, you know, this is for the plane. It's a long ride and I hear California gets really cold at night, especially during this time of the year. So the only thing that I have not laid out right here are my underwear, and I think that's it, my underwear, and 1 set of pajamas. That's all I haven't laid out right here, but I can pack that when the time comes. I think it's in the laundry right now. So let's go on and try on these babies. Okay guys, so I'm about ready to start packing. I rolled all my clothes and I put all my shoes in these Miss Lola bags that I got with some boots that I ordered, and I saved them because I was like, honestly, like they'd come in handy with like packing. So I just put my shoes in them. So I have 1 for my sandals and I have another one for my sneakers. And then in the 3rd one, I put just all my jewelry and sunglasses. So, you know, that's very simple. It's protected. It won't soil the other things. My shoes, that is. And rolled my clothes, and I have everything laid out and ready to put in the bag. So as you can see here, I have all the shoes, have all the clothes rolled out. I'm leaving my sweater out because I'm gonna just wear that. And then I have all of my pouches with my toiletries and my jewelry and everything, like I said before. They're all laid out right here. So let's see how everything fits. Oh, and this is for my pills. So I'm just gonna put it in there as a mock. There's nothing in there because I'm obviously gonna still be taking my like daily supplements and everything. But just to see how it would fit, I'm just putting the case here so we can get ready. All right. So change of plan. It seems like both shoes won't fit, so I'm gonna wear one on the plane. Yeah, that would have been smarter. Just wear one and then pack one. So sandals, I'll wear my sandals on the plane, but the shoes are chunky, so I'll pack my sandals and wear the shoes on the plane because those are chunky. So I'll just wear like probably like a track outfit or something. So that's it, you know, simple, easy, no hassle. Like I just pop that on my back and I go. Like when I leave the airplane, I just leave the airport. Like I don't have to stop to pick up luggage. I don't have to be pulling anything. Like it's just gonna be on my back. I'll put it on. It's not heavy. The only thing that is a little bit unfortunate is just that I'm not gonna be able to take my laptop with me, but that's okay. I'll find another activity to do when I like on the downtime when I'm there. So that's all there is. Going to LA, yeah. I'm going to LA, yeah. I'm going to LA, yeah. With a backpack. Really simple, really easy, guys. Travel light. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below any tips that you have. Maybe I'll use those tips next time. Maybe you guys saw something that I could have done. Just, you know, let me know, and see you guys in my next video. Maybe in California, or maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. Bye, guys. Mwah.